How to create call link on WhatsApp. So creating call link has become one of the new update or the new feature that is available on WhatsApp. So in order to create call link, first thing first, make sure you have updated your WhatsApp. For that, go to Play Store. Search for the WhatsApp on the search bar. Open it and then as you can see there is open button instead of opt-in. That means we have updated our app. If you haven't yet, then you will see the update button. Simply tap on it, then update it so that you can also create call link on WhatsApp and you won't have any issues later to create call link on WhatsApp. Once done, open the WhatsApp Messenger. Once you open it, make sure to sign in on your WhatsApp account and then go to calls at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this page, you can easily find create call link option. Let's tap on it, which will help to share a link for your WhatsApp call. Once done, you can also select the call type. You can either select video or the voice. For now, let's select voice. Here you can send link via WhatsApp. You can copy the link and you can easily paste the call link of WhatsApp on other app as well. Or you can also share the link using different kinds of apps. So you can do whichever option you wish to and easily invite your friends on your call on WhatsApp. So in this way we create call link on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. For now, thank you and see you in the next video.